Hello there, dear viewers. Welcome back to another inspiring content of decor ideas. Get ready for an exciting woodworking and decor project that will transform your space. Today, we will show you a collection of handmade wooden phone stands design ideas for profitable and full of creative joy. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. The handmade wooden phone stand may seem like a humble object at first glance, but in reality, it is a powerful entry point into the world of woodworking, an arena where artistry, practicality, and opportunity meet. In a market saturated with mass-produced, soulless accessories, a well-crafted wooden phone stand offers something fresh: the warmth of natural materials, the subtle imperfections of human touch, and the satisfaction of owning an object that reflects care and craftsmanship. Beyond the artistic fulfillment, the craft also taps into a growing consumer desire for authenticity. In an age when so much of what we buy feels disposable, the charm of something handmade, from a natural material, is undeniable. Buyers are drawn not only to the visual appeal, but also to the narrative behind it. They like knowing that their purchase supports a creator, that the stand on their desk was touched and shaped by real hands. Selling these stands can open doors to new opportunities. They are perfect for local markets, online craft shops, or even corporate gift orders, where personalization becomes an added selling point. Because they are small, they are easy to ship, making them ideal for e-commerce. And as word spreads, a hobbyist can easily turn into a small business owner, producing stands in batches, refining techniques, and experimenting with new designs to meet different tastes. Let's spread creativity and inspire more people to build beautiful spaces with their hands. The financial viability is further strengthened by the fact that production can scale flexibly, whether making a few pieces a week as a side project or ramping up to fulfill larger orders during peak seasons like the holidays. Yet the value of this craft extends far beyond money. There's something grounding about working with wood, something that connects the maker to a slower, more deliberate way of creating. The sound of a chisel slicing through grain, the smooth feel of sanded edges, the transformation as oil or wax deepens the wood's color, all of these sensory experiences combine to make the process deeply rewarding. We hope you're enjoying today's video. If you love decor and crafting, we post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. And because the project is relatively straightforward, beginners can focus on developing good habits, measuring carefully, sanding thoroughly, applying finish with patience, without feeling overwhelmed. This builds confidence, which often leads to exploring more ambitious projects later. In this way, the humble phone stand can become a gateway to a lifelong passion for woodworking. But even for those who never move beyond the scale, the satisfaction of creating something both beautiful and useful is profound. It's a reminder that craftsmanship doesn't have to be complicated or inaccessible, that with the right mindset and a little creativity, anyone can make something of value. The handmade wooden phone stand stands as proof that artistry can be found in simplicity, that a small object can carry a big impact, and that even in a world dominated by technology, there is still room, perhaps more than ever, for the touch of the human hand. For those seeking a craft that is as fulfilling as it is financially promising, this is more than just a project. It is an opportunity to create, to connect, and to carve out a place in the modern marketplace without being held back by the traditional barriers of the woodworking world. The cost of entry is refreshingly low, A single piece of scrap hardwood, some sandpaper, and a bit of finish are often all that's needed to create a product that feels premium. This affordability not only reduces risk for beginners, but also opens the door to experimentation, trying different designs, incorporating engraving or inlay, playing with natural stains or bold paint choices, allowing the maker to find their unique style without fear of costly mistakes. In the process, the craft becomes both an artistic practice and a micro-business opportunity, with each finished stand embodying the maker's creativity and skill. Selling at local markets, online shops, or even through social media becomes a natural extension of the creative process, and the feedback from customers, especially when they admire the handcrafted feel, can be deeply motivating. That emotional satisfaction, coupled with tangible financial returns, creates a powerful cycle of growth. The more stands you make, the more you refine your techniques, and the more confidence you gain as both an artist and an entrepreneur. In a sense, the handmade wooden phone stand becomes more than an object. It's a gateway project, offering a way into woodworking that is approachable, rewarding, and adaptable. It allows the maker to experience the essence of the craft, the smell of freshly sanded wood, the satisfaction of fitting a design perfectly, the pleasure of oil bringing out a rich grain, without being weighed down by the myths of complexity that often surround woodworking. Instead of a daunting uphill climb, it's a gentle slope, inviting anyone with curiosity and a bit of patience to join in. And as more people choose handmade over mass-produced, items like these phone stands become symbols of intentional living, practical, beautiful, and personal. For those seeking to blend creativity with commerce, this small-scale craft offers an ideal balance, proving that you don't need years of mastery or deep pockets to create something meaningful, useful, and profitable. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked handmade wooden phone stands design ideas for profitable and full of creative joy. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comments section. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.